It's that time of day for the Law and You. Joining us today, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli are back with us. Nice to see you, gentlemen.
Good to be here, as always.
Dressed very sharply today, as usual.
Yep, we try. This doesn't come in a can.
Style and advice. We love it. So let's get to today's question from Vicky in Peckville. She says, I was recently hospitalized and the doctor asked me if I had a living will. What is that? So
very simply, a living will kind of outlines what you want in case you are in the hospital and going through medical treatment. You had asked about a do not resuscitate, things of that nature. Treatments that, if there are medical treatments that you absolutely do not want, life-saving measures, things of that nature, you could put them in your living will so that those things wouldn't be done to you in the event that you're in that position. So that's basically what a living will is.
Yeah, and you also appoint the people to make decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. So that it's a really important document. You should have that. And then also, I think when you're talking, these are all like estate planning issues. Living will, you probably should talk about having a will, and then powers of attorney, which would kick into place too if you become incapacitated. So it's kind of like a three-piece suit. You kind of need all three pieces. And we have people in our office who specialize in that type of work, and a lot of people don't take the time to plan it. So if you do have these issues and you're married, kids, or whatever it is, please pick up the phone and call so we can help you get your affairs in order. Because it's a lot harder to do it when you're in a hospital bed or
no question.
So please call.
No question
take the
about
time.
it. Yep.
It's not that expensive either.
You do need both, a living will and a will?
Yes.
One can't cover both?
Nope.
They're two
totally
separate
different documents.
two separate documents. Living will, a will. I mean, they're separate. They accomplish different things. Powers of attorney. They're all separate documents, and you don't want them in one, document because it just
and that your living will gets filed in your medical chart with your doctor.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's good to have.
Yeah,
Please
never too early to get the ball rolling on that. Give them a call if you want help with this, and if you have questions for the Law and You, go to pahomepage.com.